Title: Ghostbusters 2023. Supreme Court brings Biden's ghost gun restrictions back to life. For now. TLDR, I ain't afraid of no ghost guns. The Supreme Court temporarily reinstates Biden's ghost gun restrictions, overruling a district judge's earlier decision to block the regulation. For real though, what is this phantom menace of firearms, and what's the big fuss about bringing them back under control? Let's dive into the mysterious world of ghost guns. Who you gonna call? The Supreme Court. In a spectral decision that could have come straight from a Hollywood thriller, the U.S. Supreme Court has put a temporary hold on the blockage of a 2022 rule dealing with ghost guns. What are ghost guns, you ask? They're not paranormal pistols. These firearms are assembled privately and are as elusive as Casper, lacking the usual serial numbers required by the federal government. Spooky, right? The ghostly gun saga. Here's how it went down. Biden administration rolls out a rule. In an effort to rein in these ghostly gadgets, the 2022 rule was put into place. Trying to control something ghostly, though. Good luck with that. Judge Reed O'Connor objects. This Texan judge threw a cowboy hat into the mix by ruling that the administration exceeded its authority under the 1968 Gun Control Act. And just like that, ghost guns were set free to haunt again. Supreme Court steps in, they're back, and this time, it's personal. The Supremes decided to reinstate the regulation, at least for now, making ghost guns once again subject to federal control. Or are they? The ghost gun dilemma, what's it all mean? Ghost guns pose a challenge to law enforcement due to their difficulty to trace. While some might say, let freedom ring, others argue that controlling these invisible instruments is a must for public safety. If you're wondering whether this is the final chapter in the ghost gun saga, or just a spooky interlude, you're not alone. Do ghost guns have a place in society? For those gun enthusiasts out there, the debate over ghost guns isn't about some ethereal objects. It's about freedom, control, and regulation. But here's a question that might send chills down your spine. Are we, as a society, able to navigate the murky waters of personal freedoms while ensuring public safety? What's the right balance, and can we find it without getting haunted by unintended consequences? A spirited debate to continue. The tale of the ghost guns doesn't end here. There's more to unfold, and like any good ghost story, the ending remains unclear. Final thought and question. So here we are, at the crossroads of legislation, liberty, and all things ghostly. The Supreme Court's decision has brought back the restrictions for now, but will it last? Or are we just witnessing a temporary containment of something that refuses to be easily controlled? Now, dear reader, it's your turn to weigh in. Should ghost guns be controlled, or should they continue to float freely in the realm of personal freedom? Your thoughts could help unmask this ghostly enigma.